Okay, gentlemen, we are about to go down a pretty long hill with lots of curves. Are y'all ready for this?
Let's go, do it.
Okay.
You go first.
We've got Raphael, we've got Jim. These guys are experienced riders. Jim has a single gear. We're going to see how he does. Raphael has many gears, as I do. Okay, gentlemen, y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where's my glasses?
Meet you down the bottom.
Meet you in the morning over there. Go, Jim.
There you go. I'm gonna be behind you.
You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to school on you guys.
Jim, here's Jim behind me. He's going to try this out. So here we go. I think I better quit videoing because I only have one hand.